Hi guys, how are you? So I am back and I have 4 Hermes items to unbox. I think I unboxed one of them, posted the video on my Instagram a while ago. These are not items that I just ordered. This has been over the last few months, but I just haven't had a chance to unbox them, so I'm doing it now. So the first item is, oh, and before I do this, because of the time of the day that it is and that it's dark outside, and I'm actually sitting in my own apartment versus at my mom's house where I usually have filmed videos because I take care of her. The only place that it was bright enough light to film this was in the bathroom. So if it looks like I am doing this on a bath mat, I am. So anyway, okay, so without further ado, first item, it is a small box, as you can see. And I wanted one of these for so long. And I wanted it in a specific color that is a little bit, well, this for me was a little hard to find. So I ended up getting this one first because I thought this is pretty. And here we go. It is a Bastia in Mauve Sylvestre. So I'm sure you are probably familiar with them. They snap open like that. You can put little coins in them. I've seen some people use them to put perfume samples, ear pods or earbuds, all sorts of little things. I mean, you could even put little buttons in there, safety pins, kind of make a sewing kit for yourself, and keep that in your purse. But I think I'm probably going to use them for coins, and maybe put some perfume samples in there. And also, if gift cards fit in, I might use one for gift cards. But anyway, that is the first item. And here's the second item. So a little quick story. So I was looking for a specific color and did pop up on the website, and I was too slow. I didn't get it. So that's when I decided to buy the Mauve Sylvestre one. But then as soon as I bought the Mauve Sylvestre one, of course, a few days or like a week later, I saw the color that I really wanted. So I ordered it because I figure I can always use them for different things. And I'm so excited because this is one of my favorite Hermes colors. It is the Bastia in Lime. Oh my God, I love this color. And this is a true unboxing. I had unboxed the Mauve Sylvestre before. I had never unboxed this one, so I'm just seeing it for the first time with you guys. And the inside is chai. So isn't that pretty? I love that it's got the 2 shades there. I thought this was a little bit unique. I would love a bag in lime. Okay, so third item is this. And yeah, I guess that's no big surprise what this is going to be. So after I got the Mauve Sylvestre and the lime, I saw this on the website, and I have a bag this color, so I couldn't resist. I know I went a little bit crazy with these, and the irony is that I didn't even have that many small leather goods before this summer started, and then I went a little nutty with small leather goods. But here we go. Ta-da! This is Blue Nuit, and it is same color inside, as you can see. And inside it says Hermes Paris, made in France, which I think they all do. Now, I kind of like to have different colors when I have a bag. So with my Blue Nuit bag, I don't know if I would use this. I might, because I did get a bag organizer, which is a light color. But if I threw this in a Blue Nuit bag, I would never be able to find it. So for that, I might want to use this one, which is brighter and easier to find. But as I said, if I use the bag organizer, then this would be okay. And I love these. I think they're so cool. And let me just see, because that says made in France. And let me just see, yep, made in France on this one. And the Mauve Sylvestre, yep, made in France. Okay, so all made in France. That's good. That's what I expected. Okay, and then my final item is this lipstick that I got. I have one Hermes lipstick already, and then I have a lip balm. I saw this color and I thought this was so pretty. This is Rouge Granat. I needed a new red lipstick, so, and I love the packaging. Look how pretty that is. It's a dark blue there, and then this kind of bronze color, and the white. And here is the lipstick. You can see, there she is. So it's a red, but kind of like a dark red. And it's a matte, so it's not shiny, but I just thought that was really pretty for maybe like a night out. Okay. Well, thank you everyone for watching. That's my little Hermes haul, and I hope you enjoyed unpacking these pretty colors with me.